Hello students, in today's class we will study about chain rule of differentiation. First of all, we have y as a function of x and we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, can be written as d by dx of function of x, because y is a function of x. But suppose we have y as a function of parameter t. Suppose we have y as function of parameter t and we are being asked to find derivative of y with respect to x. You observe here that we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x, but y is not a function of x. Y is a function of t over here, a parameter t. Y is not a function of x here, but we are being asked to find derivative of y with respect to x. How to find? So we can write dy by dx as dy by dt into dt by dx. We can express dy by dx as dy by dt into dt by dx, or we can say d by dt of, because y is a function of t, so I mentioned d by dt of function of t into dt by dx. So what do we conclude? That if we have to find the derivative with respect to x, what we will do? First we will find the derivative with respect to the given variable. The function is in terms of t. So first we will find derivative with respect to t. Then we will find the derivative of the inside parameter t. Okay? And then we will multiply. First we will find the derivative of the function with respect to t. Then we will find the derivative of the parameter t with respect to x and then multiply. Let us see how to use this. Suppose we have y equal to sine of x square and we are being asked to find dy by dx. You see children, sine is a function of x square, not x, but we are being asked to find derivative of y with respect to x. Normally we know that when y is a function of sine of x, dy by dx would be, derivative of sine will be cos, so it will be cos x. But this formula is applicable when sine is a function of x, but we have sine as a function of x square. So what to do here? Same, we will take this as a new parameter. Let us do that. Let us assume x square equal to t. So we can write y equal to sine of t in terms of t. Now we have to find dy by dx. This can be written as dy by dt into dt by dx. dy by dt into dt by dx. Now let us substitute. Dy by dx equal to y is sine of t into dt by dx. You know it very well. Sine of anything derivative will be cos. So we can write cos t into dt by dx. Now what is t here? T is x square. Now we will find derivative of t with respect to x. So dt by dx can be written as d by dx. We will substitute t as x square. You know d by dx of x square is derivative of x to the power n with respect to x will be n into x to the power n minus 1. So 2 into x to the power n minus 1 is 2 minus 1, that is 1, that is 2x. Okay, derivative of x to the power n with respect to x will be n into x to the power n minus 1. So derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. So finally we got our answer. But before writing the answer, we have to substitute t also over here. So let us substitute and finally write the answer. So dy by dx can be written as cos t means t is x square, cos x square into dt by dx 2x into 2x. Okay, so our final answer is dy by dx is equal to 2x into cos x square. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.